Welcome to the Vintage Coach Canteen Bag Tour. The style number for this particular bag is 9982 in case you ever want to look it up online. This is the miniature version of the Chester bag, which is the larger version. This version, I was told, is actually more rare than the original Chester bag. And this bag was made in 1995 in the US. So I'll go ahead and give you a close-up look. This bag we actually just restored together in the restoration video that I just posted on my channel. So if you want to see the process of how to restore bags and how we restored this particular one, please feel free to check that out. I'll link it below as well. So as you can see, this bag is in really good vintage condition. We conditioned the leather and also lightly cleaned the brass hardware. So I'll give you one more view of the top of the bag. So here's the zipper. And here's the hang tag. And then I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the bag, but real fast, I forgot to show you, here is a slip pocket on the front. So that's convenient if you want to put your phone in there. Fit nicely. Okay, and so here's what the inside of the bag looks like. It's pretty small, but you could fit a small wallet and the essentials. And then it's got this slip pocket here where the creed is. I don't think you can see it very easily on camera, but I'll link the listing below for my Etsy, in my Etsy shop. So if you want to see a better photo of the creed, you can of course look in the listing for this bag and you can get a better view of the creed. But it does say it was made in the US, and I can tell it was made in 1995 by the serial number. And then, like I mentioned earlier, it does have the serial number for the style number 9982. So that's about it. This is a crossbody bag. Oh, I forgot to show you, here is the brass buckle as well. It is an adjustable strap. So that's about it. I'll go ahead and link this bag below in our Etsy shop if you were wanting to check it out further. It's a really nice bag. I was told that it's pretty rare from another vintage Coach seller, and as you can see, this one's in really nice shape, so I'm hoping whoever ends up with it will really enjoy it and give it a new life. Thanks for watching and take care.